Do that freaky jam on the beat. Busy with that butter shit, that bone feed. Did you dip it, did you double dip that song sing? Flicky chicky with some butter, sip that phone thing. If you cheeky cheddar check, I get her own cheese. There's a chicken with the head, or it's a bitch that won't be with the official.
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the.
What's up guys, it's Akira, and in today's video I have a tutorial on these goddess locks / jumbo faux locks for you guys. They're really easy to do, and I'm going to be showing y'all the individual crochet method I use and also how to apply this hair jewelry. If you like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below, and yeah, let's just get started. I had this style in for a little bit now, so I just decided to take some of them out to demonstrate how to do this for you guys on. So I just started by dividing my hair into really small sections. I did like 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch or like 1 inch by 1 inch sections. I don't really know the specifics, but they were pretty small. And then you're just gonna start braiding your hair down like you would like you're kind of like box braiding your hair. And like once you look like Travis Scott or ASAP Rocky, then you know you're doing it right. Next, you're gonna grab one of your crochet faux locks. Mine are the FreetrEss Braid 2X large soft faux locks in 1B, and they're 20 inches. I'm gonna put a link to that in my description. And you're also gonna grab your crochet needle. Take your crochet needle and insert it through the root of your braid and push it all the way through to the other side, making sure that the latch part on it is open. Take your faux lock and attach that onto the hooked part of your crochet needle, and then close the latch and pull it through to the other side. Once the looped open part of the faux lock is pulled through your braid, take the other part of your faux lock along with your braid and pull it through that opening, and then slide the opening back up to the root of your braid. Now you should have something that looks just like this, and what we're going to do next is basically just hide our braid. So we're going to take our faux lock and wrap it around our braid to, like, you know, tuck it in there, you know, because we don't want to see it. It doesn't look cute or anything like that. So yeah, you're gonna kind of unravel your lock and then also wrap it around your braid at the same time. It sounds kind of confusing, but just watch what I'm doing here. Here I'm just showing you guys the whole process all over again so that you can understand it a little bit better. I'm just doing this on the last section of my hair, you know, inserting the crochet needle, attaching the faux lock, pulling it through, looping my hair in the lock through the hole, and then wrapping the hair all around my braid once again. The next thing I did was lay my edges, and I actually have a tutorial up on my channel on how I do that on like a regular basis. So yeah, let's just skip right through that. And the last step, which I think really brings this whole look together, is the hair accessories. One of the first things I used were these like silver hair like clip-on things, and they're really easy to put on. You just open them up like, and then just attach them onto your hair. It's super simple. And then the next thing you're gonna do is take some hair string. It's not hair string, it's just some string I bought from Hobby Lobby, and then I took it and wrapped it around one of my locks and then braided it with my lock. Like literally I'm just using a regular braiding technique, and that's just attaching it and securing it onto my lock. And I just did that for random locks in my hair just to make it look really cute and effortless. And this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys later with another video. Bye!
Please explain just how you